Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the bigger brother of the Oppo Reno 12F, which is the Oppo Reno 12 5G. And guys, and this is another high-end mid-range phone from Oppo, and this phone is costing around 1,60,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have a 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the matte brown color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And also this phone is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 73 Energy SoC, and also says Oppo AI phone. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox the Oppo Reno 12 5G. So on the top we have our device Oppo Reno 12 in the brown color. As you can see here is a matte brown color looks like. Again on the back we have a matte finish. Although the back is made up of glass, actually we have Korean Gorilla Glass 7i. On the back we have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera with a dual LED flash. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what tests we get under the phone. So the first thing, we have our case. We have a semi-gestion tool, hook start guide, as well as a soft silicone case in the brown color. We have these lines. Right there is our charger, and guys, and this is the 80-watt super fast charger we have inside the box with 5000 mAh battery size. Also we have our USB type C to USB A cable. Nice to see that. No hand-free inside the box, and the good thing is that we have a charger in the box. And now let's put all these things to the side. Guys, now let's see the physical overview. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. Should see a hybrid SIM slot, because in high-end range phones we always have hybrid SIM slot, and yes, it is a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. On the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have our another speaker, IR blaster with another microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button. Again on the back we have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera, and overall I have to say, and the design language, it is really different as compared to the Oppo Reno 12F, which I unboxed a couple of weeks ago. So let's talk about the display, and this one has a gorgeous 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with a center punch hole on the top. Again, this one has a curved AMOLED display, and the bottom chin, even the side passes, it is really small. Display wise, this phone easily get 10 by 10. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Oppo Reno 12 5G. And guys, on the first impression about the display quality, this one has a 10-bit AMOLED display, so it's the max brightness. The display looks really very bright, especially for outdoors even. So here is the notification panel looks like. We also have NFC. Let's go to the settings and let's see Android version. So about phone, so this phone is running on Android 14. Also we have ColorOS version 14.1. This one also has some AI features, like we have AI editor. Also we have 512 GB of internal storage out of 27 GB is already used. Let's see the fingerprint scanner. This one has a under display fingerprint scanner. You can see the fingerprint scanner, it is really very quick. Also this phone is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy SoC. Also we have 12 GB of RAM. And also look at the camera. Again, this one has triple cameras on the back, and the cameras, I would say, it is one of the main highlight about this phone. So it's ultra wide looks like, and here is the video mode. Let's see video recording size. The back camera maximum shoot only 4K at 30 fps. Ultra wide video recording option also available. We also have ultra steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. So here's the portrait mode, which is also available with a 2x, and this is a digital zoom. Obviously in the mode section we also have night mode. We also have high res. We also have macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens, which is a rubbish. Also we have our slow motion. We also have a dual view video mode, which uses the front camera as well as the back camera at the same time. And we also have sticker. So all those things, it is available on this phone. And also get the front facing camera, and this one has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera, I would say, looks really good even in this lighting condition. Here is a little wide option. Here's the video mode, and the front camera also shoot only 4K at 30 fps, although we don't have a 1080p 60 fps. Ultra steady mode also available. Even the bokeh mode with the front facing camera also available. Here is a portrait mode in the mode section. Night mode also available with the front facing camera. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 80 watt super fast charging, and combined with the Dimensity 7300 energy SoC, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And more videos about the Oppo Reno 12 5G, it is also coming soon, and stay tuned for that. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 12 5G. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.